You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names many struggle with, including from the Bible, biblical names too. Stay tuned. 2 different ways of pronouncing the name of this Jewish festival. 2 correct pronunciations, therefore, in English. Succoth, Succoth, okay, and Succoth is the other way of pronouncing it. Succoth or Succoth, both pronunciations are used and legitimate and correct. Succoth and Succoth. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.